In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch NFL games on ESPN so you can enjoy live football action. Let's get started. To watch NFL games, start by ensuring you have access to ESPN through a cable subscription, streaming service like Hulu, plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, or an ESPN Plus subscription for exclusive content. Open the ESPN app or website and log in with your account credentials. Check the ESPN schedule to find NFL games, such as Monday Night Football, and navigate to the Live Sports section. Select the game you want to watch and stream it directly. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, download the ESPN app, log in, and activate it by visiting espn.com/activate if required. For uninterrupted viewing, ensure a stable internet connection. Alternatively, cast the game from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. For offline access, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and watch later in the Downloads section. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy NFL games on ESPN.